Question 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meters wide. So let this be the road. They both are standing opposite each other. The road is 80 meters wide. They've given both of them have the same heights. So this is also h. This is also h. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Let's say there's a point here. This angle of elevation is 60 degree and this angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the poles and distances of the point from the pole. Find the distance of the point from the pole and height of the poles. Okay. If this is 80, let's say this is x. What is this? 80 minus x. Agreed? Yes? Let's start. You have two different triangles here. A, B, C, D. So, okay, let's begin. In triangle ABP, tan 60 degree is equal to h by x. Root 3 is equal to h by x. Keep it as it is for now. I want h, I want x, I want 80 minus x. I need everything because they've asked height of the poles, they've asked distance of the point from the two poles. Take the other triangle. In triangle DPC, tan 30 degree is equal to h by 80 minus x. Tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 80 minus x. Substitute and solve for one variable, then go back and substitute for the other. H is equal to x root 3. So I'll substitute for h, easier, right? Because otherwise if I substitute for x, then x will be root 3 by h problem. So this looks easier. Let's label this as 1. So 1 by root 3, cross multiply first. This will go up. 80 minus x is equal to h root 3. We are substituting for h. So 80 minus x is equal to h is nothing but x root 3. X root 3 into root 3. How? From 1. Okay. So now 80 minus x, x root 3 into root 3, 3. So 80 is equal to 3x plus x. 80 is equal to 3x plus x, 4x. X is equal to 20 meters. X is equal to 20 meters. 80 minus x is equal to 80 minus 20 equal to 60 meters. Then you need h. h is equal to x root 3. That's 20 root 3 meters. Therefore, the height of the poles are 20 root 3 meters each and the point is 20 meters away from the first pole and 60 meters away from the other pole. Question 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. There's a TV tower here that is standing vertically on a bank of a canal. Let's say this is the bank. Okay, so this is the canal. The bank is here, B. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. This is the canal. A point opposite, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Figures given in the question, you have to just understand it. From another point 20 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, so on this very same line, 20 meters away, what is happening? The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. So the angle of elevation now is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Let's call the width of the canal as W and the height of the tower as H. You have to find H and W. Let's begin. We have two triangles, so you can take one at a time. So in triangle, we'll go with the inner one first, ABC. I'm going with ABC, then I'm going with ABD. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent, AB by BC. Root 3 is equal to H by W. H is equal to W root 3. Keep it here for now. What's the other triangle? In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to H, opposite H, adjacent W plus 20. 1 by root 3 is equal to HW plus 20. Send this here. W plus 20 is equal to H root 3. In the place of H, I'm going to substitute W root 3. So W plus 20 is equal to, let's call this as equation 1. H is nothing but W root 3, and there's another root 3 here. So we have W plus 20 is equal to 3W. W goes aside. 20 is equal to 3W minus W. 20 is equal to 3W minus W, 2W. W is equal to 20 by 2, which is 10 meters. I want H from 1. Let us find H. H is equal to W root 3. Substitute 10 root 3 meters. Question 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building. So let's put a 7-meter high building here. The angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. So cable tower will obviously be taller. The angle of elevation from this top of the building is 60 degree. And the angle of depression to its foot, from here to its foot, is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. If this is 7, can I say this is also 7? They want height of the tower. So let the whole height be H. This will become H minus 7. Yes? So let's label the figure A, B, C, D and E. So now in this figure, see, if I directly go to this triangle, I don't know this, I don't know this. So I will start with BED. In BED, I know 7. If I find BE, I will get one side over here. Once I know this side, I can take this triangle. Agreed? So start from the triangle where you have a side. If you go to a triangle where you don't know any side, you can't find the value. So in triangle BED, tan 45, tan means opposite by adjacent. Tan 45, who's the opposite? ED. Who's the adjacent? BE. 1 is equal to ED is 7 by BE. BE is also 7 meters. So now we got this as 7. Now take that triangle. In triangle ABE, what happens now? Tan 60 degree is equal to H minus 7 by 7. Tan 60 degree, root 3 is equal to H minus 7 by 7. 7 root 3 is equal to H minus 7. H is equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. Take out H common. H is equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters. Question 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high tall house from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So now, let's say this is the lighthouse. Angle of depression from the top of a lighthouse, there are two ships. So see, the ships can be both here, or this. See, this 2 here and 2 here is same case. But how do you know whether you have to select both on same side or on both on different sides of the lighthouse? We don't know for now, so we'll just keep it pending. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, that means now it's cleared. It's not this case, it's the case of this. So we have, let's say, one ship here and we have one more ship there. Yes? Okay, so depression is 30 degree and 45 degree. So which one will be 30? Obviously this angle is 30 and this angle is 45. The lighthouse height is 75 meters. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. A, B, C, D, distance between the two ships is this. Agreed? One ship is here, one ship is here. Now how do we do this question? First, starting off, this is 30 degree. So this is also 30 degree, alternate interior angles. This is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. You have two triangles. Start with both. We'll see where we go with it. In triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equal to AB by BC. 1 is equal to 75 by BC. BC is equal to 75 meters. Coming to the other triangle. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to, opposite is nothing but AB, adjacent is nothing but BD. Tan 30 degree 1 by root 3 is equal to, AB is 75, BD is this whole thing. So I can write it as BC plus D. I already know BC is 75 from 1. From 1 we know BC is 75. So 75 plus D, brackets from 1. Cross multiply. 75 plus D is equal to 75 root 3. D is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. D is equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Question 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground. So 88.2 meters from the ground, a girl spots a balloon that's moving horizontally. The girl's height given is 1.2 meters. And we know the height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2 meters. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30. First it was at 60, now the balloon moved, now it's reduced to 30 degree. Find the distance travelled by the balloon during that interval. How much is this distance? Isn't the same this distance, this itself, D? Yes? So I'll mark this as D. I want the T. Or I want this D. Yes? Okay. So now, if this is 1.2, this is also 1.2. How much will this be? Label the figure. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I labeled all the points. How much will this be? E, F, G. How much will G, F be? 88.2 minus 1.2. Agreed? Let's write it. So GF is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2. How much? 87 meters. So let's mark this as 87 meters. Okay. So now, how do we do this problem? As usual, take one triangle at a time and go ahead, you will get the answer. Let's begin. So now, which triangle take first? GFB. You can take any triangle. GFB. Let us start with GFB. But the question here is, this triangle, see, one triangle is here, one triangle is here. What about this side? For now, let's just call it as X for simplicity. Okay. So you have two triangles. So in triangle, I'll take the 60 degree first. ABH. In triangle ABH. Tan 60 degree is equal to AH by BH. What is tan 60 degree? Root 3. What is AH? 87. What is BH? X. So you get x is equal to 87 by root 3. Multiply and divide with root 3? Not necessary. Why? Because this is not the final answer. I want D. So now go to the other triangle. In triangle GBF, tan 30 degree is equal to 87, or let's write the sides, GF by CE. Tan 30 degree 1 by root 3 is equal to GF 87 CE x plus D. Send x plus D this side. X plus D is equal to 87 root 3. X from 1, what is x? 87 by root 3 plus D is equal to 87 root 3 in brackets from 1. D is equal to 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3. Take 87 common into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Take the LCM. 87 root 3 into root 3. LCM is root 3. Multiply and divide with root 3. 3 minus 1. D is equal to 87 into 2 by root 3. I don't want root in the denominator, I have to rationalize. Multiply and divide with root 3. 87 into 2 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 27, 29. 29 into 2. 29 into 2, 58. 58 root 3 meters is the distance between the initial and later position of the balloon. Question 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. So we have a straight highway. If you keep going on the highway, you reach the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of a tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. So the car was here first. Now when this man was observing the car from the tower, he saw that the angle of depression was 30 degree. Now the car is approaching the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, the car reached here. The angle of depression now was 60 degree. How many seconds? 6 seconds. Okay, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Here they have given T1 6 seconds. This remaining time, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Which point? From the point you are at right now. Let's call that T2 time. So A, B, C and D. If this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. If this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. Till here it's okay? Have they given us any distances between them? No. So now I have the two times here. I mean, I have one time, I don't have the other, but I need a side to solve this question. So you have to find the distance in this question. So what we're going to do here is, observe carefully. They've given the speed is uniform. So let the speed be x. So if the speed is x, distance is speed is equal to distance by time. Then what is distance? Speed into time. So therefore, can I say, therefore this is for your understanding, no need to write. Therefore, can I say BC is equal to x into 6. Why? X is the speed, time taken to travel this much is 6 seconds. So you get 6x. What will be CD? Let the time taken to travel, let time taken to travel from C to D, travel from C to D, B, T. So now what is CD? X is the speed, T is the time. So X into T. In the question they want the T, the T2. So I will rewrite this as 6x and this as x into t. Let's just call this as h. Okay? As usual, taking one triangle at a time. So you can take anything, we'll see what to do later. ADC I'll start with. In triangle ADC, tan 60 degree is equal to AD by CD. 1 root 3 is equal to, what is AD? H. What is CD? X into T. Keep it as it is for now. Coming to the other triangle. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to H by 6x plus xt. What is tan 30? Write the side ratio first. So 30 degree is AD by BD, right? Okay, now substitute. Tan 30 degree is nothing but 1 by root 3. AD is H, BD is 6x plus x into t. So now, what do we do? What is H? xt into root 3. Let's call this as equation 1. I don't want H. I'm worried about t. All I need is t. So now, removing H, 1 by root 3 is equal to, in the place of H, xt root 3 by 6x plus xt. How? From 1. Now it's just normal math solving. Send this here. 6x plus xt is equal to root 3 goes there. xt root 3 into root 3. 6x plus xt is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3xt. Send this xt that side. 6x is equal to 3xt minus xt. So 6x is equal to 3xt minus xt, 2xt. X and x cancel, 6 equals 2t. 6 by 2 equals t. T equals 3 seconds. So the time taken for the car to travel for that remaining distance is 3 seconds. Question 16. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the straight line are complementary. So we are in the tower. From the base of the tower there are 2 points whose angle of elevations are complementary, and they have given that the distance of those 2 points are 4 meter and 9 meters from the base. So if this is, let's say this is 4 meter, this is 9 meter. So what will this be? So let's draw this. Okay. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. So they have given the answer h is equal to 6. They have given that the angles are complementary. Let's say this is theta. Can I say this is 90 minus theta? Yes, I can. If this is 9, this is 4, I can say 9 minus 4, 5. We will write how we got that. How did we get that? BC is equal to 9 minus 4, 5 meters. Till here I hope the question is clear. So let's call this as H and let's begin the problem now. Take 2 triangles at a time. I mean 1 triangle at a time. There are 2 triangles there. In triangle ADC, the inner triangle, what is tan theta? Tan theta is H by 4. Can't do anything, leave it there because we don't know theta. Next, in triangle ADB, the whole triangle, tan of 90 minus theta is H by 9, opposite by adjacent. Correct? Tan of 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta is H by 9. Now what do we do? Tan theta, cot theta. Either convert cot theta to tan theta by writing not 90 minus theta, direct theta. How? 1 by tan theta. Or multiplying tan theta into cot theta, you will get 1. That is also fine. So I will multiply these two. One method is multiply these two. Other method is write cot theta as 1 by tan theta. Then substitute. That is also fine. Okay, I am choosing to do 1 into 2. Tan theta into cot theta is h by 4 into h by 9. Cot theta is nothing but, okay, we'll write it in the next step. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta is equal to h square by 36. Tan theta cancels. 36 goes up. 36 equals h square. H is equal to plus or minus 6. H cannot be negative, so you can say h is equal to plus 6 meters. Hence proved. We have reached the end of the chapter. I hope the concepts are clear. Make your trigonometry fundamentals stronger, then only this chapter will seem easy. The only catch on this question is in this chapter is to understand the question and draw the diagram. Once you get the diagram, it's easy. Most of the time we use sine. Sometimes we use, most of the times we use tan theta. Sometimes we used sine theta and cos theta. But tan theta was the most important in almost every problem we got tan theta involved. To get a better grip on this particular chapter or any chapter here, you have to take the practice test and you'll automatically get better by practicing even more. All the best and thank you.